Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it's very clear to see that in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has broken away from the pack, as most of the altcoins are down a little bit or either consolidating. Bitcoin is up and giving a massive rally to climb all the way to 100,000. If you do not know, Bitcoin is closing in close to 98,000 with an extreme amount of trading volume since the Nasdaq listing about 48 hours ago, while all the other altcoins are seeing no inflow of cash or either actually outflow. Now, if you talk about Dogecoin, you can see it's trying to hold really strong, close to 39 cents, and it's doing a good job. Keep in mind, soon as Bitcoin sees the 100K mark, there is going to be a little bit of consolidating, and that's going to be the time when most of the altcoins are going to be going explosive. As you can see, close to 108,000, we might be seeing a little bit of a pullback before Bitcoin sees another explosive move. Dogecoin slows the following monster gains. What is going to happen next? Dogecoin traders face a massive liquidation as shorts get wrecked amid the surge in the meme coin momentum, and India expands the payment ties with regional partners to strengthen the cross-border financial network. This is a big deal. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the whole crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, and we're going to be seeing a bigger rally and all of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the way Bitcoin is acting. Just to give you a little bit of perspective, I feel like a lot of people are very concerned seeing that Bitcoin is climbing so quickly, but on the other end, we're not seeing explosive growth from other altcoins. Why is this happening? Well, in simple terms, if you do not know, Bitcoin hits a record as spot ETF launches on Nasdaq, boosting investors' excitement and market dynamics, and the amount of financial funds that are going to be flowing through crypto in the next 24 hours is quite impressive. Just to give you a little bit of perspective, in the first 24 hours of it going live, there was close to, just to give you perspective, 1.9 billion that actually flew through the crypto market, and I'm just talking about Bitcoin, not the whole market. And after that, it's obviously going to keep growing higher, and there's going to be more things that are going to be happening. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF launch highlights the surging institutional interest and Bitcoin's mainstream market acceptance. So this institutional funds which are going to be flowing through is the reason why the market is making so much gains for Bitcoin. But this also presents a very good buying opportunity for all the other altcoins. I'm not just talking about Dogecoin, but in general, when Bitcoin is going to show a little bit of consolidation, people who are holding it are going to be taking some profit. And where is that money going to flow into? It's pretty much following this pattern or the cycle where once Bitcoin starts going into a consolidation phase, all of that money is going to flow into lower caps or altcoins. Talking about Dogecoin, you can see that it's actually holding off really strong. What I mean by that is today morning, we actually fell below the big support that I was talking about, close to 38.2, but today it actually went back up the 38.2 and now sitting close to 38.7. This is really good because this shows you how strong the bulls are actually holding the crypto market and especially the Dogecoin price. And if you look over here, you guys can see the analyst confirms Dogecoin price test of 78.6 Fibonacci level. What happens next? I mean, it's very important. As soon as it breaks the Fibonacci level, we will be able to climb over the 40-cent mark. Once we get over that, the next resistance is going to be close to 45 cents. And if we're able to break over that, trust me, the sky is the limit. Now, Bitcoin looks like it did in December 2020. Even the RSI is nearly identical if true Bitcoin will go to 108,000, and it is playing out exactly what we all discovered. Now, just to give you perspective, if you have been looking at the Bitcoin chart, you can see that since climbing to 97,000, there has been a little bit of consolidation before the market will keep climbing, but the breakout will definitely end close to 100K in probably the next 24 hours. On the other end, Dogecoin slows down. What does this mean? Doge is slowing down, at least for now, following a week of gains that people are very happy about. But because Bitcoin is still climbing and the whole altcoin season is still in play, Doge is probably going to be the one that will outperform all the other coins in the next coming 10 days once Bitcoin gets into that consolidation zone. And if Dogecoin is at $1 before December, I would not be shocked, just to give you perspective. And the short traders are not very happy. Just to give you perspective, the open interest might be down 5%. But the long to the short ratio is still in the favor of the longs, and the liquidations is still really bad for the long traders. But 7 million, which is pretty much halfway through for short traders, is quite a huge amount. And Cardano whales have been actively accumulating Cardano, so that is also showing a positive sign for those traders. And time for a bold reforms. Highlight from Elon Musk and Vivek's Doge plan. Now keep in mind, right now we do not have this working properly, which is the Doge, or Department of Government Efficiency. But once all of this gets into power and people are going to be, actually this is going to be part of the government and it's going to be playing out, it's going to be a big deal, because this is going to be, letting off a lot of big names, and more Doge is going to come in the news. The more people are going to be talking about Doge, which is the cryptocurrency. Why Doge is up today, an all-time high could set the $5. Now, Trump's election win, Elon Musk's influence drove Doge to 44 cents. Technical indicators shows extreme greed of 67% green day, suggesting a strong bullish momentum and maybe a strong rally that can actually pump up even harder. And BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF options indicating Bitcoin should end up close to 180,000 in 2026. So there's a lot of greed, and a lot of people are anticipating Doge to do big things, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin hits the record 95K as crypto seeks direct line to Trump. I mean, right now we just got a little bit of insider, which is Trump is looking into forming some sort of role in the White House, which is going to be dealing with cryptocurrency. This is a big deal because that would have a huge impact. And the way our boy Trump has been acting, he's not thinking of having any sort of regulation towards crypto. It's more like trying to get it to be more popular and get people to use it and be part of the Americans ecosystem. Bitwise enters the spot. Solana EFT race with the SEC filing. What's next? More and more ETF coming out. It's going to be very good for the crypto market, because that will mean that the financial terms or the financial funds are going to be flowing into the crypto market. And Dogecoin faces a key resistance at 40 cents. It's going to be a little hard to break, but if we are able to break above that, there is so much potential for Dogecoin right now that you guys don't understand, because Bitcoin climbing closer and closer to 100K, Doge definitely has a lot of potential to become as more explosive. Right now, just be a little patient. We got a lot of money to make. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys very soon.